Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tasha and I create content focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today's video is another luxury video, and your girl went to Neiman Marcus. I went to the mall the other day. I had my eyes set on a few pieces of items, and unfortunately, because of a lot of stores were just giving hell. So I decided to go into Neiman Marcus. Maybe I could catch my luck in there with the items that I wanted. Nothing was working with me too even. So I was just like, okay, let me go into the shoe department. Maybe I could catch something that I've always wanted or that I wanted. And then I saw this shoe. I don't even know how I got this shoe, but I can't even find it on your website. It's not on your website as yet. It's nowhere to be found. And I kept thinking, should I buy it? Should I buy it not? When they said that it was the last pair, the shoe that was on display came out of this box. And I was just like, do I want to try that on? Do I want to buy it? How many people have tried these shoes on? And I had to get over that idea that 500 or 1,000 people had already probably tried his shoes on. But he reassured me that it had just came in and that they had 10 pairs, and as soon as they came in, they were all gone. So I was just like, okay, well, maybe, maybe not many people have tried the shoes on, as yet. This is the Balenciaga Speed. I know you guys like Speed. Didn't that come out a while ago? But this is my receipt. This shoes retails for $825. And the tissue paper, dust bag. You know what I love about Hermes? They give you 2 dust bags, but this one only has 1. It's pretty big, this one. And then my tissue paper, tissue paper. Guys, this is the Balenciaga Speed black on pink with the clear heels. Now, if you know me, you know that black and green is my favorite colors, and Balenciaga has the black and green ones, and I didn't buy that one. Say what? I didn't buy it. And then I go into store. I'm sitting there, I'm contemplating. I looked at the shoe, like 5 other people came and looked at the shoe. I was still sitting there. I was like, what do I want to do? What shoe do I want to buy today? What's going on? I had my eyes set on a couple sandals that I wanted. The Christian Dior Montaigne 30 slides. And I wanted the Oran sandals from Hermes. The line through there was just crazy. So I settled for Neiman Marcus. I went into the shoe department. So I was like, should I get these shoes? And I was like, pink? I've seen green, but I've not seen pink. When did they release a pink? So I was like, oh, okay. Tried them on, and girl, it's black on black. The pink Balenciaga on the side. I know sizing is a bit off. A lot of people talk about sizing when they're buying these shoes. I picked these up in a size 7. However, with shoes that over time might stretch out, I would go a half size down or a full size down to a 6 with sock shoes. But I was just like, I'll take it at a 7 if this is the only one you have, because no, I couldn't do it. I cannot find the shoe on their website at all. I don't think it's because it's sold out. I think they haven't even released the shoe yet. I don't know what's going on. I saw it on Essence, and Essence price was just like through the roof. I'm like, the first scene of these was in September 2020. So I'm super excited that I got these. The sock height is not as high as the previous versions. So I do believe, normally the shorter ones are like for like spring, summer, and then the longer socks are normally for fall, winter. But the material. When I did more research on it, it's supposed to snap back after you know, take them off. You're supposed to just snap back and the whole nine. But I absolutely love these shoes. I absolutely love the shoes. So I don't know what else to talk about. I'm just in love. Like, these shoes are the best right now. This is it. I'm in love. Like, the bottom is clear. The Balenciaga at the bottom. And I'm freaking in love. They're pretty. I would say they're like a medium weight. Probably weigh about 1.5 pounds by themselves on a scale. I haven't worn these yet, so I'm gonna put them on again in this video for you guys to show you. I'll probably do it with this outfit. I just have on this high neck bodysuit, and I have on some high waist trousers, skinny leg trousers, and I'm just gonna put these on for you guys and show you what everything looks like and how the shoe fits and everything. And yeah, but I'm so happy about this purchase. I'm so happy I got this shoe. Keep your eye out for it for when they do drop it on your website. They currently have a green version on there, like I said, that I was looking at for a while, but I didn't know they have it in a pink. So if you want the green one, you could go ahead and purchase it. Normally the other versions of these without the clear heel, I think they retail for $7.95 or something of the sort. This one is about $50 more, but I feel like it's worth it, and I'm in love. And it kind of goes with my makeup in my outfit. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let me guys know what you guys think about the black and pink combination, how you guys normally buy your sizing, and so on and so forth. See you guys in my next one. Bye.